In our complex and relentless world, where the demands of daily life intertwine with overwhelming emotional challenges, it's easy to feel swamped. Anxiety and depression, two insidious afflictions haunting countless individuals worldwide, erode joy and motivation, casting a dark shadow over the essence of human existence. However, when immersed in these depths, Stoic philosophy offers an anchor of resilience and insight. The ancient Stoics, wise in their time, left a legacy of teachings that transcend the ages, providing us not only with the means to survive, but also to thrive in adversity. This video will explore 10 strategies rooted deeply in Stoic principles, strategies with the power to illuminate the path to overcoming anxiety and depression. We invite you, dear viewer, to pay close attention to each lesson and put them into practice. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and resilience, where we will learn to fearlessly confront the stormy winds of our emotions. Like the Stoics, you too possess the intrinsic ability to master inner turmoil and find serenity amidst chaos. Now is the time to fully embrace Stoicism, building a life filled with meaning, balance, and inner strength. Before we begin, comment, "I am freeing myself." Save this video. And make this comment every time you feel distressed, anxious, or unmotivated. Share it with someone you know who may need this video. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. 1. Acceptance of what is beyond our control. In Stoic philosophy, the notion of accepting what is beyond our control is fundamental. Anxiety and depression often stem from worries about future events or regrets about the past. The Stoics teach us to focus our energy only on what we can control, helping to reduce anxiety by anchoring ourselves in the present. First, it's crucial to identify what you can control in your life. Your actions, attitudes, values, and choices are under your control. Recognize that you cannot control the actions of other people, the weather, the economy, or past events. This awareness helps direct your energy toward areas where you can make a difference, letting go of futile worries. Once you've identified what is not under your control, practice the art of letting go. Accept that certain events and circumstances are beyond your reach and not worth expending energy on. This doesn't imply indifference, but rather acknowledges reality, focusing on present where you have true influence. Finding meaning in the current moment can significantly alleviate anxiety and depression. 2. Developing courage. Courage, one of the 4 cardinal virtues of Stoicism, plays an essential role in facing emotional challenges like anxiety and depression. The Stoics saw courage not just as physical bravery, but also moral strength and resilience. Courage begins with recognizing one's vulnerability and the existence of anxiety and depression. It's important to understand that all human beings face moments of emotional fragility. Admitting this vulnerability is the first step in developing courage. Courage does not mean suppressing or denying emotions, but rather facing them head-on. This involves accepting emotions, even if they are uncomfortable. The Stoics teach that it is natural to feel fear, sadness, or anxiety in certain situations. Courage lies in confronting these emotions without being dominated by them. Additionally, seeking help when needed is a sign of courage, not weakness. This may involve seeking a therapist, doctor, or relying on friends and family for support. 3. Practicing mindfulness. While mindfulness is not directly a Stoic practice, it complements the philosophy by promoting emotional well-being. Originating from Buddhist traditions, mindfulness involves techniques beneficial for addressing anxiety and depression. Mindfulness involves accepting emotions without judgment. When facing anxiety or depression, instead of resisting these emotions, practice acceptance. Recognize them as part of the human experience and allow them to flow without trying to suppress them. Observation of thoughts and feelings is another critical aspect of mindfulness. It encourages the objective observation of thoughts and feelings as they arise, similar to the Stoic practice of examining and questioning your own thoughts. By observing emotions and thoughts with detachment, you can gain a deeper understanding and learn not to fully identify with them. Mindfulness also reduces stress, which is beneficial for people dealing with anxiety and depression. Regular mindfulness practice can decrease the activation of the sympathetic nervous system associated with stress and promote the relaxation response of the parasympathetic nervous system. 4. Reframing negative thoughts. Stoics emphasized controlling the mind and critically analyzing thoughts, an approach particularly helpful in treating anxiety and depression. These conditions often stem from negative and distorted thought patterns. Reframing negative thoughts is essential. Stoicism encourages self-critical examination, actively questioning your own thoughts and beliefs. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause and examine these thoughts. Ask yourself if they are true, logical, or useful. Often, many negative thoughts are irrational or exaggerated. Distinguishing between what's within your control and what's not is another fundamental Stoic principle. Many concerns contributing to anxiety and depression are related to external events or actions of others that are beyond your control. Recognizing this difference allows you to redirect your focus to what you can control, your reactions and attitudes. The Stoic technique of premeditation of evils can also help. Instead of fearing the worst, envision adverse scenarios and consider how you would respond virtuously. This prepares you to face difficult situations with equanimity, knowing you can act in accordance with your values regardless of the outcome. 5. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude plays a significant role in Stoicism and emotional well-being. Stoics valued gratitude as an important virtue and saw it as a way to cultivate a more positive and appreciative perspective on life. Start by acknowledging simple things. Gratitude is not limited to major achievements or significant events. Stoics valued the ability to appreciate simple things, such as a sunset, a tasty meal, or the company of friends. Recognizing and being thankful for these small blessings can bring joy and contentment. Making gratitude a daily practice is another effective way to incorporate it into your life. Set aside time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This can be done through a gratitude journal, where you write down the positive things that happened during the day. Gratitude can also help adopt a broader perspective on adversity. Stoics believe that adversities are opportunities for growth. Instead of merely lamenting difficulties, try to find aspects for which you can be grateful, such as lessons learned or strength developed. 6. Developing self-discipline. Self-discipline is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, essential for overcoming anxiety and depression. By recognizing what is under your control, you can develop the necessary discipline to manage your actions and reactions more wisely. Self-discipline involves setting and adhering to personal standards and goals. It means prioritizing long-term well-being over immediate gratification. This can be challenging but is crucial for personal growth and resilience. Start by establishing a routine that incorporates healthy habits such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep. These habits can significantly impact your mental health and help you manage anxiety and depression more effectively. Practice moderation in all aspects of life. The Stoics valued temperance as a virtue involving control of desires and emotions. By practicing moderation, you can avoid the extremes of excess and deficiency, promoting a balanced and stable life. 7. Embracing change. Embracing change and uncertainty is another important aspect of Stoicism. Anxiety and depression often arise from a fear of change or an inability to adapt to new circumstances. The Stoics taught that true strength lies in adaptability. Change is a constant in life, and learning to accept and embrace it can significantly reduce anxiety and depression. Instead of resisting change, view it as an opportunity for growth and development. This shift in perspective can help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Practicing mindfulness can aid in embracing change. By staying present and focused on the current moment, you can reduce the fear and anxiety associated with future uncertainties. Reflect on past experiences where change led to positive outcomes. This can help reinforce the idea that change, while sometimes challenging, often brings new opportunities and growth. Use these reflections to build confidence in your ability to handle future changes. 8. Seeking support. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Overcoming anxiety and depression often requires the assistance of others, whether through professional help or the support of friends and family. Consider therapy or counseling as a valuable resource. Mental health professionals can provide tools and techniques to manage anxiety and depression effectively. They can offer a different perspective and help you develop strategies tailored to your specific needs. Building a strong support network is also essential. Surround yourself with people who understand and support you. This network can provide emotional support, practical help, and a sense of belonging, which is crucial for mental health. Open up about your struggles. Sharing your experiences with trusted friends or family members can alleviate the burden and help you feel less isolated. It takes courage to be vulnerable, but it can significantly impact your mental well-being. 9. Cultivating virtue. Living in accordance with virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance is central to Stoic philosophy. Cultivating these virtues can help you overcome anxiety and depression by providing a framework for a meaningful and purposeful life. Wisdom involves seeking knowledge and understanding. It means making informed decisions and learning from experiences. Cultivating wisdom can help you navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and confidence. Courage involves facing fears and challenges head-on. It means taking action despite uncertainty and difficulty. Developing courage can help you confront anxiety and depression with resilience and strength. Justice involves treating others with fairness and compassion. It means acting with integrity and upholding moral principles. Practicing justice can enhance your sense of purpose and connection with others, contributing to overall well-being. 10. Practicing self-compassion. Finally, practicing self-compassion is crucial for overcoming anxiety and depression. The Stoics believed in the importance of treating oneself with kindness and understanding. Self-compassion involves recognizing your own suffering and responding with care and empathy. Instead of harsh self-criticism, practice self-kindness. Acknowledge your struggles and offer yourself the same compassion you would give a friend. Mindfulness plays a role in self-compassion. By being present and aware of your emotions without judgment, you can cultivate a more compassionate and understanding relationship with yourself. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and shortcomings. Understand that everyone makes mistakes and that these experiences are opportunities for growth and learning. Self-forgiveness is a key aspect of self-compassion and can significantly impact your mental health. In the pursuit of overcoming anxiety and depression, Stoicism offers valuable philosophical principles that serve as a guide to a more balanced and resilient life. These 10 steps: acceptance of what is beyond our control, developing courage, practicing mindfulness, reframing negative thoughts, practicing gratitude, developing self-discipline, embracing change, seeking support, cultivating virtue, and practicing self-compassion provide a solid path to confronting the emotional challenges of life. Remember, overcoming anxiety and depression is often a journey that requires time, effort, and sometimes the assistance of mental health professionals. Stoicism can be a powerful tool to complement treatment and improve your emotional well-being, but it does not replace medical assistance when necessary. By adopting Stoic principles and practicing these techniques, you will strengthen your mind and develop resilience that will help you face adversity with courage and wisdom. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these valuable tips enjoyable. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, if you've made it this far, you are a strong person. Comment, "I will change my situation," and stay focused on the pursuit of a virtuous and meaningful life. Every step in the right direction is progress worthy of gratitude.